This Kurkuri Bhindi is definitely a must try. I would definitely ask you to try this at least once. Then trust me, you'll make it on repeat. First, you need to take bhindi like this, which is cleaned and washed, and cut it into thin slits like this. Then here for the marination, you can add in any kind of seasoning of your choice. Let me tell what I have added. I've added in some oil. Then I've added in some salt. I'll be adding in some chili powder. Now, if you want to add extra kick of spiciness, you can add in spicy chili powder as well. Then I'll be adding in some chaat masala, cumin and coriander powder. As I said, you can add in any seasoning of your choice. If you want, you can add in chili flakes. If you can add in oregano as well. But just added in basic spices, which is from our kitchen shelf, like salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, cumin, coriander powder, chaat masala. And then I'll be adding in some gram flour. Gram flour is good for binding. And then I'll be adding in some rice flour as well, because it gives good crispiness. Now once I've added all these spices, I'll mix the bhindi really very well, so that each and every bhindi is beautifully coated with the masalas which we have added. Now let's transfer it to a air fryer. Now just spread it evenly and then put it in the air fryer for 200 degrees for 15 minutes. And every 2 minutes start turning like this, flip it over and keep it. And that's it. Your super tasty, super crispy Kurkuri Bhindi is ready. If you're on a weight loss journey but still don't want to compromise on that crispiness, trust me, you have to try this. You can have it like a snack or during evening snack, or for a lunch along with rice, rasam or dal. It makes a great side dish as well. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.